Hey, in front of me is XIAOMI 11T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications on this device. Firstly, open Settings and click on Notifications and Control Center. Then tap on App Notifications and select one of your apps like Send Anywhere. Now when I click on the switcher next to it, all notifications from this app are now blocked. If you wish to enable them, click at the same switcher. You can also just tap on one of your apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!